Good evening everyone. Update as traffic dire. Holy Week traffic from IT Park bus station. IT Park. Nararang ruta dire dapita guys. Bus station from IT Park. Nice kind view din in Dapita. Join and come here, IT Park, Cebu, Philippines. Hi, Jollibee. Abril 17, Holy Week, Holy Thursday. Luwag na kayong daan, pero medyo luwag na kayo, dili traffic tungod kay Holy Week. Thank you for watching everyone from Philippines, Mexico, Indonesia, Malaysia, everyone, thank you for watching. Please support and subscribe my channel, Trekkings Vlog, para maka-update mo kanunay sa kuang videos matagadlaw, matagabi. IT Park traffic situation is good. Maxim lang malakas guys. Hi, bus station. Bus station sa ite. Amping na ma'am sa paglabang. Amping na kanunay.